Hi, it's Rob again. I just want to go through my evacuation procedure and equipment. This is what works for me. I've had plenty of trial and errors over the years. Evacuation can send you insane, I reckon. So this is on the vac pump now, but obviously got my nitrogen here. So obviously weld everything up, pressurize it, make sure that it's holding nice and solid. Let the nitrogen out. Hook up your system. Hook up your setup. Don't evacuate through your gauges. You open up your put your ballast on, just to I think it just saves your oil. Put your ballast on for a little bit until it comes down to about 1500 microns, somewhere like that. It's no great friggin' science in it. And then close your ballast and get it down as low as possible. You get it down to 200. Well then, great. A small system like this, you should be able to get it down to 200 pretty easily. So I run with my field piece vac pump. Got my Appion lines, 3/8 to 1/4. My field piece valve core removing tool with the two valves. I reckon that's important. I'll explain that in a sec. Got two of those, and the Testo vacuum gauges. I really like those. They're small. They've never let me down, and I find them great. So with the field piece valve core removing tool, you can have the hose and the vacuum whichever side, whichever is most comfortable with the equipment you're working on. Sometimes the hose needs to be down here, so that's why I like these ones. Also too, got a little sight glass here for when you're pulling your valve core out, you can see if you've grabbed it or not. It's a bit of a gimmick, but anyway, it is there. So yeah, so then when you're ready to gas it up, close this one off. You can still have your vac pump. Hook up your line here, your liquid here. Purge. Vac pump can still be running, and then close off your lines, and open this one up, and away you go. Really simple. Don't evacuate through your gauges. That's just crazy. It takes too long. And also too, when you finish your evacuation, I'm going to close off. Let it close off, but and obviously your microns are going to rise. If you let that sit, I don't care how good your system is, how good your setup is, there's going to be a little friggin' leak on your equipment somewhere, sometimes. As much as I've used Nylog on everything, and at the moment my microns are down to 150 microns either side. If you're happy with your that you didn't have a leak when you're pressurized and you've pulled a good vacuum, gas it up. Otherwise, if you let it sit like they recommend for however amount of time, and you go above 500 and you're not happy with it, with my experience, you just drive yourself crazy. If you pulled a good vacuum and your pressure's held solid, gas it up. That's it. That's my system. That's what I use, and I think it works well.